everyone, this is Ange, your Practical Tita, and today we will be having a Practical Tita 101 segment because meron tayong guest for today's video. Yes. So alam ko naman, excited na rin kayo, kaya hindi ko napapatagalin kung sino man yung guest natin ngayon. And hayaan na natin siya yung magpakilala sa sarili niya.
So, hello everyone. So, this is Kat. I am actually teacher by profession. By the way, I'm 37 years old. Yes, I'm teacher by profession, but right now I'm a businesswoman and at the same time, AIA financial advisor. I'm also married, but currently, wala pang soon to be, maging mom pa lang din. So, yun.
Ayan, so thank you naman for introducing yourself. And of course, thank you so much sa pagbibigay ng oras. Talagang dinayo mo pa ako from Laguna to Bicol. Nga pala, taga Laguna pa siya and ako Bicol. And today, nandito kami sa Gumaos Bay, Paracale, para lang ta-interview to para sa inyo. Ayan. So ngayon, may mga questions lang ako na gustong itanong sa'yo para sa mga viewers natin. And I know you're a teacher by profession, a business owner, and also an AIA live planner. Sobrang, ang dami mong ang dami mong ginagawa sa buhay.
Yes, of course. Syempre, para naman, alam mo na kapag wala ka pa ring anak, so syempre, you have the freedom. You have the time to, instead na magmukmuk ka, make yourself productive, diba? Parang ikaw lang.
Correct. So ngayon, coming from you na, ayun, you have no child pa, di ba, as of now,
Yes.
and you're enjoying life with your husband. So, ano ba yung mga usual na plano na ginagawa niyong mag-asawa habang hindi pa na ipagkakaloob ni Lord yung hinihintay nyo? Of course, maganda kasi to na maganda tong paghandaan habang, di ba, kayo palang mag-asawa. So, pwede mo bang i-share sa amin kung ano yung mga usual na plano nyo for the future?
For the future?
Yes.
Okay. So, for the future, so, maraming aspect kasi when we talk about future.
Yes.
Pero usually when we talk about...
Isa-isahin, pwede naman tayo mga 10 hours tayo dito.
Wag naman. Siguro yung mga importanteng points lang. Siguro, for example, kasi when we talk about future, it's always correlated with money, diba? Financial.
Yes, correct.
So, kami ni husband, so, 8 years na kaming married, pero, ayun, dahil siguro hindi pa lang talaga time, pero, kumbaga, ang ginagawa kasi namin ni husband is we travel, we enjoy ourselves na lang muna. So, sabi nga, 'di ba, always look at the brighter side. Pero, of course, kahit pa nagta-travel kami, so dapat andun pa rin yung responsibility natin, 'di ba? So, hindi naman tayo dapat na enjoy lang ngayon, nga later.
Yes, tama.
Of course.
Sobrang crucial niyan sa panahon ngayon.
Yes, and parang ikaw lang, diba? So,
parang ako na crucial ako.
Okay, alam ko ka din, wise mom ka rin. So, pero kahit pa wala kaming dependent, of course, syempre, hindi naman kami forever na healthy, ganyan. So, what I did, so bukod sa savings namin, ako as a financial advisor din, of course, I also have my insurance policies. Maybe other people are asking, ba't kailangan pa ng insurance? Wala ka namang tagapagmana pag nawala kayo, wala rin ganito, ganyan. But of course, di ba, yun yung myth eh. Hindi lang naman ang insurance, hindi mo lang naman makukuha yung benefit after mo mawala, di ba?
Tama.
Of course, tayo, syempre, marami yung benefits, for example, sa health, for retirement.
Correct.
So, given na kami ni husband ay wala pang dependent. So, what we're preparing for is, of course, yung sa health. Of course, kasi sa family background namin, ako, especially in particular, kasi yung both parents ko, kumbaga nag-undergo na ng iba't ibang surgery. So,
may history na.
Yes, of course. So, ako, syempre, gusto ko rin magkaroon ng, if ever man mangyari sa akin yung ganong bagay, ayokong maging burden.
Yes.
Or ayoko naman mabaliwala yung lahat ng pinundar namin
Correct.
as husband and wife na may napundar kaming konti, of course. Pero syempre, di ba, pinaghirapan mo yun. Tapos, kasi ngayon, pag nagkasakit ka, isang
Pwedeng
sakit,
mawala lahat.
exactly, pwedeng wash out yan. So, kaya, meron kami, both my husband and I, Eric, ako, meron kami kanya-kanyang policy na focusing sa health. And, of course, syempre, hindi siya nag-e-end doon. After, siguro, maybe, after ko ma-assess yung finances namin, I'm still planning to add.
Tama.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ikaw
So,
ba?
ayan. First question pa lang yun, ha? Meron pa tayong 10 questions.
Napa-enjoy ako sa
Oo.
pag-share.
So, ayan. Ngayon naman, I have a question since nabanggit mo wala pa kayong anak and wala pa kayong dependent. Pero from my point of view, dependent nyo yung isa't isa.
Oh, yes.
Yes, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi your partner, your husband and wife. So, as my point of view, kumbaga, pareho kayong umaasa or nag-rely sa isa't isa. And ayun nga, and since nasagot mo naman na yung kung ano ba yung plan nyo, pero I want to know, ano ba yung specific plan mo and ng husband mo na kinuha and ano ba yung mga features ng plan na yon? Para lang at least may idea yung mga viewers natin kung ano ba yung features ng plan and baka sakali na pwede rin pala sa kanila yon.
Yes.
Pwede rin makatulong. Okay.
Yung plan namin, parehas kami, we started with ACP 100. So that,
ACP 100, so ito ba yung plan na may life insurance saka critical illness na coverage?
yes, exactly. So, ang nagustuhan ko sa plan na ito is, it covers up to 100 critical illnesses.
Oh,
Yes. Eh, di ba na-mention ko nga na may history kami. So, 100 critical illness. Kasi di ba sa AIA naman, may mga iba't ibang plans na pwede na yung top 10 lang, or pwedeng 100. So, ako kasi
ayan, parang, as in, parang lahat na ng
yung mga critical illnesses na. So, hindi lang siya yung top 10. Dahil nga ako, medyo praning ako, joke lang. So, pero yun nga.
Wala naman.
So, yun nga, given the history ng family ko, talagang, instead na yung top 10 lang, sagad ko na, 100.
Pwede naman na yun pala.
Yes, so aside sa HMO na meron kami from Medicard, so we also have the ACP 100 or AIA Critical Illness Product 100.
Okay. Okay lang ba ikat kita saglit dito? Kasi may narinig ako na something na nagtililing. Ay, hindi naman tililing. Something na yung utak ko.
Yes.
Nabanggit mo kasi na bukod dyan, meron kang HMO.
Yes.
Parehong health yung purpose nila. Pwede ko pang malaman kung bakit may HMO ka na tapos meron ka pang critical illness coverage na kinuha.
That's a good question.
Kasi baka magtanong din sila hindi ko naman alam yung sagot. Joke lang. Pero ayun, para at least may context tayo kung ano ba yung differences nila.
Okay. So, just to share, syempre, yung HMO ko, so, di ba yung HMO natin, yung mga typical na binibigay ng mga employers sa mga employee. So, it's kind of the same. So, pero kasi ang HMO kasi is, yun yung mga nagagamit mo right away. Focus siya sa outpatient. Although may inpatient din, pero yung as simple as kahit mga ordinary illnesses lang, madengue ka lang.
Yung mga check-ups, laboratories.
Yes. Kahit ordinary, yung magkasipon ka, ubuhin ka, gusto mong check up agad.
Ouch, gano'n.
Yes. Yes, so even the laboratories meron siya. Ang difference kasi nito, ba't ako kumuha ng ACP 100? Kasi sa ACP 100, it can cover yung mga malakihang expenses for the hospitalization or yung bill na hindi kayang i-cover ni HMO. Kasi, di ba, when we talk about critical illness, for example, like the cancer or the kidney failure, ganyan. Yun, if you're going to check it online, ay nako, millions talaga yung expenses for that.
Kasi usually pag HMO, nasa 250,000 lang yung coverage. Pero kasi pag mga critical illnesses, mostly nagko-cost siya ng, minsan mababa na yung 2 million. So, sa bagay, no, for HMO, for the consultations, laboratories, mga outpatient. Tapos yung critical illness, mainly for, critical illness.
Yes, oo.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that, nakat lang kita. Pero sobrang laking tulong nun kasi may mga clients din na they're not aware. Ako personally before, hindi ako aware kung ano ba yung differences ng mga yan. Okay, so, yung question ko talaga, di ba, kung ano yung features ng ECP 100. So, sige, tuloy na natin doon.
So, and aside from that, yung other feature na nagustuhan ko is yung, for example, hindi ko nagamit yung critical illness benefit. So, for example, either man sa amin nawala due to natural death or for example, accident. Yung hinulog ko na premium for the critical illness benefit, hindi siya masasayang kasi it will become like death benefit.
Oh, so yung plan na to, hindi lang siya for critical illness.
Yes, yes.
Nice.
So, kumbaga, tsaka yung, ang aside from that pa ha, it can cover you na, kumbaga covered na kami ni husband up to age 100. So, pag natapos ko yung plan ko, parang, alam mo yung peace of mind na, magkasakit man kami in case ng critical illness, parang hindi ko na, kasi na-experience ko rin yung sa family ko dahil nga, di ba na-mention ko, both parents ko, parang surgery dito, surgery doon. So, talagang grabe yung makakat ng savings. So, lahat kaming magkakapatid nag-shell out pa. Pero, of course, since kami nga wala kaming dependent, so, alangan namang iasa ko pa sa mga kapatid ko or sa ibang tao, diba? So, at least, kumbaga, mas, yung peace of mind is there and, kumbaga, yung property is protected din, diba?
So, hindi lang yung buhay yung protected, pati yung mga savings natin, properties, yan, take note nyo yan. And, ayan, thank you so much for sharing that. Actually, I want to ask more. 10 talaga yung naka-record na tanong. Pero kasi baka umabot pa tayo ng 10 years. So, ayun, i-cut na muna natin for now, pero we will be having another session for the other questions then. If ever you want to know then kung ano ba yung mga features, yung mga premiums of course, nitong plan na to, ng HMO, ni Medicard, and ni ACP 100, from AIA, you can message me or Teacher Kat, or you can message us both. And we will share lahat kung ano man yung information, and we're happy to help everyone, di ba? Yun naman yung work namin din as financial advisors. And for the last time, Teacher Kat, bigay ka naman ng konting notes or remark or kung ano ang gusto mong sabihin sa ating mga viewers. Okay.
Of course. Thank you for having me here, Practical Tita. Of course. Oo. So, for our viewers, ang masasabi ko lang, start now. Yes. Kasi, sabi nga ng mga mentors namin, ng mga financial coaches, hindi ka magiging ready kung mag-aantay ka. You have to start now. And iba talaga yung peace of mind na mabibigay sa'yo nito. At alam mo yun, yung sense of security din.
Correct.
Not just for yourself, but also for your family. Sa case namin, kahit wala pa kaming anak, pero sabi nga, di ba, love yourself also. Okay.
Love yourself first.
Yes, love yourself first. Kasi you cannot give what you don't have.
Yeah.
Yes, right? So, start now. Ngayon na. Message na si Practical Tita kasi talaga namang it's very worth it. At kung worry kayo, ay talaga namang nasa hands kayo ng magandang company, which is?
Ay, company pala. Sorry, akala ko magandang ano.
Ay, okay. Both naman. Maganda at mabuting financial advisor, of course. And also, of course, magandang company, which is?
AIA Philippines.
AIA Philippines.
Ayan.
Yes. So,
thank you so much, Teacher Kat. And to add lang yung konti, naisip ko lang bigla yung mga singles natin dyan. Kahit wala kayong dependent, di ba? You can get yung health insurance, yung mga HMO, yung nabanggit niya na ECP 100. So, tama, start now. And don't wait na maging ready ka. Bye-bye everyone. And ayan, so sobrang ganda ng segment natin today. And of course, thank you so much for watching our video. And just in case you have questions, comments, you can message me directly. You can comment on this video and I will help you. And kung may mga gusto pa kayong questions na sasagutin namin, let me know and sagutin natin lahat yan. Bye-bye! Again, this is your Practical Tita Ange, always saying, ingat!